Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shantina here. So today I have decided to transform our home for the summer and the springtime. And behind me, these are some of the bags, well these are all of the bags that have all the goodies in it that I am going to be using to transform my living room, kitchen, and dining room. And the colors that I chose to use today is the color yellow. Nothing to me says springtime like the color yellow. It's like it's bright, but it's not too overpowering. It makes a statement. It stands on its own in any room or with any colors. So I just truly felt that yellow is going to be the color that I am going to use to transform our home. Right now I have neutrals in our home, colors like grays, different color grays and white and mirrors and a little bit of bling. So I'm just going to throw a little yellow in there and yeah, transform this home from everyday to summer and springtime. So what I'm going to do is tell you guys all about the merchandise that I bought as I'm putting it out. Okay, so again, thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share, and thumbs up this video for more videos like this. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So I have been wanting to transition our home for the spring and summertime for a while now, but because of the pandemic and social distancing, I wasn't able to go out and get the merchandise that I wanted. And finally, after a couple of months, I was able to go out and get all of these wonderful things you are about to see in this video. First, I removed everything from the kitchen island because you want to start off on a clean surface. So I love using this Myers multi-surface cleaner for cleaning my countertops. The smell is very clean and it gets my countertops very clean with no streaks. So the materials you see here were all purchased at Micheals. Micheals is always having a sale, and I always get coupons in my email that I can use. Everything that you see here was a total of about $12, and the flowers cost the most at about $3 a bunch. So I cut 4 pieces of the flowers because I am going to use them in the dining room later. After cutting the flowers, I wanted to place them and arrange them in a cute little white flower planter, as you see here. So this is a nice, quick, and easy way to spruce up any countertop. And these flowers are so real looking. I get a lot of compliments on them. So next I found these faux lemons and I decided to stage them in this medium-sized candy dish. These lemons look so real and they bring that burst of yellow that I was looking for. So these cute little salt and pepper shakers are such a cute addition to this space. I love this cute little beehive with white flowers and this cute little bumblebee. Like, come on, this is the cutest and adorable thing that I have ever seen. So I also found these cute colorful candles. They have a burst of sweet honeysuckle smell, and it also has like a flowery undertone smell. These candles smell so good. I love them, and I purchased 2 of these. Now moving on to the countertops under the cabinet. I found 2 already made flower arrangements that is so vibrant and has that burst of yellow that I was looking for this space. So these went really good in this space. The two pieces was about $4.99 a piece from Micheals. Trust me, Micheals is where you want to go to get all of your faux flowers. They always look so real and the arrangements be on point. So I found this lemon cookie jar from HomeGoods for about $3.99, I believe. I use this to put our cooking utensils in, and as you can see, I'm going for a lemon theme, and I love how the yellow ties in with the gray and the white. Looks so good. So here I'm adding some yellow decorative hand towels, replacing the black ones that I had in its place. And in keeping in the yellow lemon theme, I added these cute cooking mittens. Now moving on to the dining room, I removed everything from the tables and cleaned the table with this sprayway glass cleaner. Love this stuff. It's such a game changer when it comes to cleaning my mirrors and my glassed items. These two candle holders are so beautiful and add a nice, elegant touch to any space. I got these from Burlington's. Burlington's have a very nice home decor department. You should really check them out. The mirror and the plants are from HomeGoods. These mats are from Walmart. And these yellow plates are from Burlington. And we already had the clear plates and the white bowls, which added a nice touch to the dining room table. This dining room table setting was a total of about $35. Very affordable. So moving on to the living room, a great way to refresh your living room, or any room for that matter, is with colorful throw pillow covers. You can use the pillows that you have already and just purchase the pillow covers. I got these beautiful yellow colored pillow covers from Wayfair, I believe, for about $25 for the pair. So this cute, quick DIY was a good creative idea to add a conversation piece to your coffee table. I found this glass cylinder from Micheals, I believe, and I found the faux plant from HomeGoods, both costing no more than $6. So moving on, I wanted to add another level of texture to the space. So I added this basket and white colored throw next to the couch. And I got both the basket and the throw from Burlington's for about $35. So yeah, this is our summer and spring decor. It was very affordable and the items was very easy to find. I want to thank you all for watching. I loved doing this video for you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe. And as always, please stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.